We're here at the Bowden Sun Maze in central Alberta. Come get lost with us in a maze of beautiful sunflowers. The Bowden Sun Maze is located just outside of the town of Bowden in central Alberta near Red Deer. We're inside the Bowden Sun Maze, getting lost amongst rows and rows of blooming sunflowers. The maze, located on Eagle Creek Farms, opened the second week of August this year and will remain open into September. It boasts over 100,000 sunflowers, all planted to form a particular pattern if viewed from above. This year, it features an adorable honeybee. I'm trying to film the sun maze as best I can, but it's really smoky today. There's a lot of forest fires in British Columbia, which is the next province over, making it really smoky here in Alberta today. Despite the smoke, the kids and I still had fun weaving through the maze, sidestepping honeybees as we progressed. There's two distinct patches of sunflowers, one that's in full bloom right now, mid-August, and one that hasn't bloomed quite yet. They've planted them purposely at different times so that they'll have blooms all throughout the summer and into the fall. Although the sunflowers weren't very tall when we visited, we still had fun running through the maze. The sunflower maze kind of merges into a corn maze. The corn is a little taller than the sunflower maze, and now we are legitimately lost. Of course, we found our way out of the corn maze and back to the sunflowers. I got special permission from the owner to fly my drone over the fields, and what fun we had! There was still a lot more of the farm to explore as well.
Sun Maze.
There's also a little bit of a petting zoo here at the Sun Maze. I found my new favorite part of the corn maze, or the sunflower maze. This rabbit! Oh my god. You should be my new channel mascot.
Oh my god,
It's so cute.
Near the front entrance was a general courtyard, complete with picnic tables, washrooms, games, photo cutouts, and a bunch of cute animals. We spent a lot of time there. Eagle Creek Farms also has a fruit and vegetable U-Pick, where you can harvest your own produce, or you can purchase fresh goods from their store. Naturally, our favorite part of Eagle Creek Farms was the Sun Maze, which is why we came there in the first place. Have you ever gotten lost in a sun maze? Let me know with a comment below. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you like, share this video with a friend who loves flowers.